All right, this is question number 13 for the practice final. What we have here are two fractions being multiplied with binomials and regular numbers just kind of there. Now, because this is two fractions multiplying, what we can do is actually take this line and go straight across all the way. Since when you're multiplying, it pretty much just means everything in the numerator and everything in the denominator, so long as you keep things like this parentheses around the 2x minus 2. So the first thing we can do is outright cancel our 6 and our 12. So we know that 6 cancels and 12 cancels, and that would leave us with a 2 in this denominator. That we can do right now, just to kind of make it easier on ourselves. This would turn into a 1. Now, the other part is the fact that we have two binomials, and we look at the first question for every polynomial. Our first question is always, is there a GCF? Well, there is. 2x minus 2 has 2 as a GCF. Both terms in the binomial have a 2. So if I factor out a 2, I would just have an x, since 2 times x is 2x, and I would have 1, since 2 times 1 is 2. If we notice that our numerator and denominator both have x minus 2, however, there are two x minus 1s on the top, and only 1 for the denominator. So in the same case of if we had variables in the numerator and the denominator, we can cancel the smallest one outright. And then what we do is we minus by that smallest one to the other one. So in this case, 2 minus 1. If we look at what's left over, we have our numerator, which is simply x minus 1 to the first power, which is just x minus 1. And then in our denominator, we have 2 times 2, which is 4. So we end up with x minus 1 over 4, and we're done.